Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable buy and sell alerts using TradingView. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable buy and sell alerts using TradingView, first, open the TradingView website or app and log into your account. Select the chart of the asset you want to analyze. Once the chart is open, look for the alert icon, which resembles a clock or bell, on the right side of the chart. Click on the alert icon to open the alert creation menu. In the alert creation menu, choose the condition for your alert. You can set the alert to trigger when the price crosses a certain level. Select the specific indicator or price level you want the alert to monitor. Next, define the alert frequency. You can choose to be alerted just once, every time the condition is met, or at specific intervals. Then, customize the alert message if desired. This message will be sent to you when the alert is triggered. Choose your notification method. TradingView offers options such as email, SMS, or app notifications. After setting up your preferences, review all your selections to ensure accuracy. Once you are satisfied, click on the Create Alert button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your alert is successfully set. You can view and manage your alerts by clicking on the Alerts tab in the bottom panel of the TradingView interface. This will allow you to edit or delete any alerts as needed. Your buy and sell alerts are now enabled, keeping you informed about market movements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.